Here's why you should join Monkey Mayhem in November 15. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can become one of gorillatag's most wanted history. If you want to do a video, hashtag Monkey Mayhem for videos. And yeah, just join at November 15, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, and all together, and then we're making join at once, and we can make Crash gorillatag, and might as well delete gorillatag because it's crashed. And yeah, use hashtag Monkey Mayhem to support gorillatag because it's literally dying again. Like, oh my gosh, how? Because all the gorillatag and the big scary. What the fuck? What is that noise? Ew. Uncle, stop gooning. Yeah. Join this event. Join it. Stop gooning, Uncle. I can hear you come all the way over here. So, join.